Hi there, this is Arslan from Dent Repair. I got a very interesting project that I'm going to be working on. If you watch this video, you will learn how I repair dents on plastic bumpers. So stay tuned, let's take a look at it. And we got this 2012 Toyota RAV4 with some very severe dent on the front cover. As we can see, there's some paint scrapes as well. That's something that the customer is okay with, since we don't do any kind of paint work. So now to get this bumper repaired, we're gonna have to create an access from the back side of this damaged area. We're gonna create this access by removing the clips that holding the fender liner to the bumper cover and to the fender. And once we remove those clips, we can push this fender liner over to the edge, and now we have enough access. So next step is we need to take the heat gun and start applying some heat to the panel. You can see that I'm applying some pressure from the back side with my hand, slowly heating up this panel. You want to be careful how you operate with this heat gun, because you can easily cause some more damages to this panel by burning paint, by putting it too close to the panel. So just be careful with it. You want to keep the panel soft enough, warm enough so it's soft and moldable. We still got some imperfections there. By now we are about 70-75% done with this bumper. We still got some imperfections up in the area where bumper meets the headlight. I call it micro lows and highs, and that's what we're going to be addressing now. I'm going to set up my special Paintless Dent repair light so I can see all the small imperfections. And I'm going to also position my heat gun so I don't have to hold it anymore in my hand. And now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Paintless Dent repair tool. And this 1-inch diameter rubber ball tip I'm going to use for this specific repair. I like using this tip because it doesn't do any damage to the paint and to the bumper. It doesn't cause any poke marks, and it's very forgiving. If you make any mistakes, you can basically repair this without any problem. As you can see now, I'm applying some pressure from the back side, and I'm using the slide to navigate the tip of my tool and place it directly in that low spot and push it, massage the area. So right now I'm almost done with this bumper repair. I'm going after some small imperfection that is right up in the area where the headlight is. You can see the area is moving back and forth. Now we're gonna go ahead and check this dent, how it looks like in different angles. Let's pull the slide and check what it looks like from the other side, from different angles. Okay, it looks good. I'm satisfied. Now we're gonna place this fender liner back in its place. I'll replace those clips that I had to remove in the beginning. Alright, so let's take a closer look and see if there's any imperfections. It looks great, absolutely. A huge difference. Yes, there's some paint scrapes, but dent is absolutely gone. There's no trace of it. We're gonna see how it looked before for comparison. There we go. Absolutely crushed bumper, and now it looks like new, like nothing happened. So if you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. If you leave them in the comment section below, let me know what you think about it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you'd like to see some more, please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up. Thanks.